everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. This is a matching numbers LS5 454 car. Very cool car, guys. It's actually a little bit of an older restoration with a very recent repaint. Car has been modified from original, but I do have most of the original parts. Original carb, original intake, original exhaust manifolds. This was a factory AC car. I do have the AC components. I think he said he gave us everything except for it'll need some new hoses and stuff like that. I do have the factory wheels, but they were 14-inch SS rallies, so you'd have to change the disc brakes, which I think we do have the original disc brakes for the car because they've upgraded it to the bigger brake system on it. But if a guy wanted to take this car back to original, he could. But killer car, finished in cranberry red. It's got the black SS striping and, of course, a black vinyl interior. Great car, guys. You want to talk about a sweetheart with the way this thing runs and drives. It hits the road outstanding. Good, solid, straight body. Again, it is a recent repaint. It's got slick paint on it. But he did something nice. The underside, he didn't paint the underside. You're going to see primer still on the floor. So the car's got all the original body panels. Good, solid, straight car, and a fun car to drive, man. You got plenty of horsepower, a little cam to it. They woke it up a little bit, is what they did. Nothing crazy, but dual chrome mirrors. Oh man, we got something on here. Sorry, I'm sure we can get that off. It's like somebody put their hand up there. Pretty car. Nitpick that stripe there a little. They are clear coated over stripes, painted on stripes. Nice and straight down the sides. Car sits good. Like I say, really hits the road great. It's got a nice set of Billet Specialty. I think those are called Pro Star wheels. It's got Nitto ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Yeah, if you're seeing that, it's just a little dust. Somebody's put their hands all over this thing. You know what they've done? Again, they've upgraded the disc brakes on it. It's got the bigger disc brake kit with the bigger rotors and the slotted and drilled rotors. Again, matching numbers, LS5 car. You can see they've done a ton of upgrades underneath the hood here. Holley dual feed 4-barrel, Edelbrock Performer intake. They have upgraded the cam. Does have headers, MSD 6AL distributor in it. Or I'm sorry, ignition box in it. K&N filter top, air cleaner, chrome valve covers. They've updated the pulleys and brackets on it. Power steering, power disc brakes. It's got a TCI 400 turbohydramatic trans in it. Aluminum radiator. It's got dual electric fans. And like I say, this thing runs and drives outstanding. Nice and tight. Oh, the wipers do work. We got to repark those wipers on it, but they do work, guys. He didn't have the wiper arms on it. See, door handles are nice. They've replaced all the door rubbers on it. Door seams are nice and clean. Factory bucket seats, center console. It's got the sport steering wheel. Does have new carpet in it. Seats look good. Headliner looks good. Factory tach and gauges, 83,812. That's supposed to be the original miles on it. We do not know the miles on the resto. Aftermarket Kenwood sound system. It's got the custom kick panels with the speakers in it. Aftermarket gauges. Really nice sounding 3-inch X-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. 12-bolt F41 suspension, 331 posi track, rear axle. Of course, it's got the sway bars and the box control arms. It's got Billstein shocks in the rear. Nathan's exact words, my son, you know, who drives all these things, said one of the nicest driving Chevelles he's ever been in. So it just hit the road great. And again, when you look at the pictures at the bottom of that car, that's primer. Really good car, man. Fade the seats there a little bit. Nothing bad though. Good car. Dual chrome mirrors. Plenty of horsepower, guys. I'm telling you right now, you jump in it, this car responds. Great sound. Just poke myself. Gotta love those 70 Chevelles, man. These cars just look great. Again, good looking set of wheels on it. Tach does not work. It's got MSD ignition, so you can see it holds good oil pressure. All your gauges there are working. Fit and finish is nice on the car. Car runs strong. Radio works, blower motor works. Again, we got to repark the wipers, because no need to turn those on. Updated the headlights, too. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.